Okay, so this is the Hume Band 2.0, and it's a 24/7 fitness tracker, much like the Fitbit Air, and this could be actually better than the Fitbit Air. This is my unboxing and my first impressions of the Hume Health Band 2.0, and let's get right into it. So the band itself is pretty legit, honestly. So first impressions of the band, it's kind of elastic feeling, which is really nice. And I like that it actually feels a little bit more like quality than the Google Fitbit Air. It's not bad, looks pretty good so far if you ask me. It's a little bit more adjustable when you're putting on your wrist and a little bit more comfortable as well. Now already I really like the feeling of this much more than the Fitbit Air. It's just a little bit more comfortable and the materials are a little bit softer. In the box it also comes with this little tab, of course, and inside is the USB cord and also the USB charger. So it's very simple. It's another black little plug, USB-C to another USB-C, plug into a computer or whatever outlet you have into a charging brick and you can charge it. Now the question is, how do we set it up? I don't even know how to turn it on actually. First things first, you want to download the app. So I'm in the App Store, I'm downloading the Hume Health app as we speak. And so one of the best things about the Hume Health Band is that it doesn't actually have a subscription. So you buy it once and you just get to use it very much like the Google Fitbit Air and unlike the Whoop. Okay, so apparently all you really need to do is just put it on the charging puck, charge it for a little bit, and then it'll activate. And once you actually start the app again and you ask it to pair, it will automatically do so, which is really nice. So already it's found the Hume Band and it's wanting to connect to it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pair it and boom, it's paired up. We're locked in and it has access to Apple Health. So I'm gonna turn all that on as well. So apparently my Hume Band can measure something that no other device can. Your body's daily capacity for physical and mental strain. Wow, okay. So some things that it might show you is your metabolic capacity, strain, and recovery. So this is kind of what it's going to look like. Wow, this is really interesting. It gives you like a card and it shows you the steps that you had, the active calories, and the zone in which your heart rate has sustained over the day. And it gives you some recommended activity as well. So that's really cool to see. So this Hume Band is actually going to take 7 days to analyze my psychological patterns and calculate my metabolic momentum. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see a full review of this video so I can talk about exactly what this entire experience is going to be like. Okay, so they also have a subscription feature called the Hume Plus members, and they're about 8 times more likely to reach their health and weight goals in under 6 months. Okay, now it also has a health score on the app, but because I just put it on, I don't really get to see anything, so it's going to take about 7 days for me to actually use it and synchronize with my body and health metrics. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see that video going forward. So yeah, there's a lot to go through here. The app is pretty amazing, honestly, and it has a lot of things to look at. So yeah, this is pretty much what the unboxing and first impressions look like. Things so far are going really well. I love how it feels, I love the way it looks, and I'm excited to give you the full review of what the Hume Band is all about. And guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is really just a first impression and unboxing video of what the experience kind of feels like. I mean, there's a lot to go through here. I don't want to go through all of it. So if you do want to see the full video of the app and what it's like to use the Hume Band and if it's better than the Google Fitbit Air, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys on that video. So peace out.